Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explore connecting Microsoft Outlook with Zapier. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your daily workflows and automate repetitive tasks. To get started, navigate to the Zapier homepage. Make sure you are logged in so you can access your main user dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and press the Create button. This is where you begin building any new automation. Next, choose Zaps from the options. A Zap acts as a bridge between your apps to handle tasks automatically. Now, you must establish a trigger, which is the event that kicks off the process. Click on Trigger and search for Microsoft Outlook. Since Outlook will start this sequence, select it as your primary app. After picking Outlook, you need to specify the exact event. Select New Calendar Event, so the workflow runs whenever a new entry is added to your schedule. You will then be prompted to link your Microsoft Outlook account. Click Sign In and grant the necessary permissions to Zapier. Once connected, it is time to perform a test. This step ensures that Zapier can properly see the events in your Outlook calendar. Look for a success message to confirm everything is linked correctly. Now we need to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger occurs. Click on Action and find Google Calendar in the list. For this tutorial, we want to generate a Google Calendar entry every time an Outlook event is found. Choose the Create Calendar option from the available actions. You must also log into your Google account to give Zapier management access. Run another test for this specific action to verify that adding an item to Outlook successfully creates a corresponding event in Google Calendar. If both tests are functional, you are ready to go live. Simply hit the Publish button to turn on your Zap. From now on, Zapier will track your Outlook schedule and sync everything to Google automatically. You have now completed the integration. Thanks for joining us and enjoy your new automated workflow.